Camping has come a long way, thanks to innovative gear that makes outdoor adventures more comfortable, convenient, and exciting. From high-tech survival tools to space-saving essentials, these 20 incredible camping inventions are designed to enhance your experience in the wild. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a weekend camper, you'll appreciate these smart solutions that improve safety, efficiency, and enjoyment. Get ready to discover game-changing gadgets that will transform the way you camp and make every trip unforgettable. In today's world, staying connected requires a reliable and sustainable power source, especially when traveling or off the grid. The SolarBar efficient solar panel combines high-performance solar charging with a 10,000 mAh removable power bank, ensuring power anytime, anywhere. With 8 powerful panels and 20-watt solar charging, it offers an industry-leading 22.5% efficiency rate. The built-in 3-in-1 charging cable supports USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB connections, while wireless charging enables convenient power for multiple devices. Designed for portability, it is water-resistant and scratch-resistant, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. An integrated LED light with SOS mode enhances safety, ensuring visibility in emergencies. Compact, foldable, and eco-friendly, the SolarBar is the ultimate solar charging solution for life on the move. After a long day or intense workout, your legs deserve quick and effective relief to stay refreshed and energized. Introducing Reluma, Effortless Leg. Relax, a compact, portable, and rechargeable solution designed to ease discomfort, reduce fatigue, and enhance overall well-being. Using advanced technology, Reluma provides targeted relaxation anytime, anywhere, whether at home, the gym, or on the go. Its simple operation ensures effortless comfort, while the durable design minimizes environmental impact and long-term costs. Unlike bulky alternatives, Reluma is lightweight and easy to carry, offering a sustainable, affordable way to maintain leg health and relaxation. Make every step feel better with Reluma, your go-to device for lasting comfort and recovery. When adventure calls, you need a lightweight, durable, and easy-to-set-up shelter to keep you comfortable in any outdoor environment. Introducing the Nightcat Backpacking Tent, a compact, waterproof, and quick-to-set-up tent designed for 2 people. It features pre-assembled double layers with a separated rainfly, ensuring excellent ventilation and weather protection. The fiberglass poles offer strength while remaining foldable for portability, making it ideal for hiking, motorcycling, and bike packing. Crafted from 210T tear-stop fabric, this ultra-durable tent is built to withstand the elements. 2 D-shaped doors with dual zippers provide easy entry and exit. Spacious enough for 2 sleeping pads and backpacks, the Nightcat tent is the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Grilling should be effortless, versatile, and portable, allowing you to cook delicious meals anywhere with ease. Introducing the KANKA Grill, a modern, fully portable rotisserie system that works over any gas grill, charcoal grill, or fire pit. Built with stainless steel and a high-torque electric motor, it ensures perfectly even cooking with automatic rotation. Powered by AA batteries with a 12-hour runtime or a rechargeable battery with a 30-hour runtime, the KANKA Grill is even compatible with solar power as a sustainable option. Its adjustable height, universal gas grill adapter, and multiple accessories, including a double spit rod and grill basket, make it versatile for meat, fish, and veggies. Fully demountable and compact, the KANKA Grill is perfect for any BBQ enthusiast. Carrying daily essentials should be effortless, organized, and stylish without overstuffing pockets or compromising mobility. Introducing Bolstr Elements Bags, a collection of perfectly sized, minimal EDC bags designed for travel, outdoors, and everyday use. These patented, future classic designs solve the challenge of carrying essentials without bulk. The Mini is compact yet spacious, ideal for cards, AirPods, and keys, while the Aux provides extra storage for wallets, passports, and cables. The Small Carry 3.0 is a sleek, streamlined EDC bag for sunglasses, small tablets, and more. Made from military-grade materials, Bolstr bags ensure durability, fast access, and maximum functionality. Asymmetrical, modern, and built for efficiency, bolstr redefines the way you carry your essentials. Nothing brings people together like the warmth of an open fire and the joy of cooking delicious food outdoors. Introducing GrubStick, the world's first high-quality telescopic roasting stick with interchangeable attachments. This all-in-one tool elevates open fire cooking and is perfect for roasting s'mores, burgers, hot dogs, and even ice cream. Made from high-grade stainless steel and dishwasher safe, it's built to last. It caters to every taste with attachments like the Grub Cage, Bird Cage, Grub Pocket, and Grub Fork. Compact and portable, it fits in your backpack, RV, or car, making it the last roasting stick you'll ever need. Take outdoor cooking to the next level with GrubStick. Enjoying a spontaneous barbecue in a public space can be difficult, especially when transporting all the essentials by bike. Meet the Knister Grill, the first extendable charcoal grill designed for city life and easy transport. Simply hook it to your bike's handlebars and ride to your favorite spot without the need for a backpack. It securely attaches to any bike, mountain, city, or racing, and stays stable on uneven streets. The grill extends to serve up to 10 people and doubles as a basket for carrying food, coal, and utensils. With foldable legs and compact storage, Knister makes urban grilling effortless and enjoyable. Take your barbecue anywhere with Knister. Bright, sunny days call for protection and convenience without the hassle of bulky headwear. Introducing POCAP, the ultra-portable cap designed for those on the go. Featuring a super flexible brim, this innovative hat folds effortlessly into a pouch the size of a smartphone, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Made from wrinkle-free, water-resistant fabric, it retains its shape and stability no matter how many times you fold it. Whether you're running, traveling, or simply out for the day, POCAP offers the perfect balance of function and style. Stay protected, stay stylish, and take POCAP anywhere. Outdoor cooking should be versatile, efficient, and easy to take anywhere. Introducing the Wildfire Grill, the ultimate 4-in-1 cooking platform that combines a traditional grill, asado-style grill, pizza oven, and warming station in one compact design. Powered by charcoal and wood, it reaches up to 1,100 degrees for perfect searing, baking pizzas in just 90 seconds, and cooking wings in minutes. Its 360-degree rotating rack allows precise heat control across different zones, from grilling to warming. Weighing only 36 pounds with a 17-inch diameter, it's highly portable for any adventure. Experience unmatched flexibility and flavor with the Wildfire Grill. Keeping drinks colder for longer while ensuring convenience and durability is essential for any adventure. Introducing the Maple Mountain Soft Cooler, a zipperless, high-performance cooler designed for ultimate ease of use. With one-handed operation and a nearly waterproof build, it offers hassle-free access to your drinks and essentials. Made from ballistic nylon, it guarantees long-lasting durability. A removable dry bag provides ample storage, while the optional dry goods tray keeps items cold without waterlogging them. Every inch of this cooler is thoughtfully designed, including a built-in bottle opener that doubles as a shotgun tool. Maple Mountain Soft Cooler is the ultimate companion for any trip. Outdoor adventures demand clothing that is durable, breathable, and eco-friendly. Introducing SEADON all-terrain shirts, crafted from a unique blend of ultra-fine merino wool, cooling tencel eucalyptus, and feather-light fabrics made from recycled water bottles. These shirts are designed for performance, comfort, and sustainability. The Daily Tea collection includes the Versatile Traveler, perfect for long journeys, and the Trailblazer, ideal for high-performance activities with its moisture-wicking and fast-drying capabilities. Both shirts are naturally odor-resistant and wrinkle-free, and provide temperature regulation, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Plus, they feature eco-friendly manufacturing and packaging, making SEADON the ultimate choice for active and conscious adventurers. Starting a charcoal grill quickly and efficiently is a must for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Meet the GrillBlazer GRILLGUN, a high-powered 400,000 BTU torch designed to light your charcoal in just 60 seconds. This powerful tool is the fastest way to get your grill going, up to 5 times faster than traditional methods like blowers or lighter fluid. Whether you're grilling, searing meat, or lighting campfires, the GRILLGUN provides a real fire that gets the job done. It's easy to handle, portable, and perfect for any outdoor adventure. Staying power on the go or during a power outage is crucial for everyday convenience. Introducing the BLUETTI Portable Power Station, a compact, reliable energy source that features a 268 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery backup. This power station provides AC outlets to keep essential devices running, and it can recharge from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Perfect for outdoor adventures, or as a backup UPS during grid failures, it protects sensitive electronics like PCs and servers from power surges. With up to 200-watt solar input support, it can be paired with BLUETTI solar panels for an eco-friendly power solution. The EB3A is your ultimate portable power solution wherever you need it. Having a fresh, high-quality espresso, anytime, anywhere, is essential for coffee lovers on the go. Introducing the NowPresso espresso machine, a portable and easy-to-use solution for coffee enthusiasts. This innovative machine automatically pumps and pours your espresso into a detachable drinking cup with just the push of a button. It works with Nespresso capsules or your espresso grind, offering flexibility in brewing. Powered by a removable lithium battery, it can also boil water wherever you are, ensuring convenience and portability. The NowPresso features a vacuum-sealed capsule cap, a water cavity with an air vent lid, and comes with a travel bag for easy storage and transport. Perfect for any adventure. Enjoying grilled meats and veggies without the hassle of electricity is a game changer for BBQ lovers. Introducing the green IMT Grillr oven, a portable, non-electric rotisserie oven that lets you cook mouth-watering BBQ anytime and anywhere. This innovative oven features a simple wind-up mechanism, allowing you to wind the knob clockwise for 15 seconds, and the skewers will rotate for up to 40 minutes. With a far infrared plate and minimal smoke emission, Grillr ensures even cooking indoors or outdoors. It comfortably holds up to 2.2 pounds of food and includes a basket, skewers, and a drip tray for easy cleanup. It's perfect for anyone seeking portable, hassle-free grilling. Traveling and playing just got easier with a compact and sophisticated bag designed for versatility. Introducing the nebulized HardShell travel bag, an ultralight, water-resistant, and multifunctional travel companion. Made from high-quality, environmentally friendly PET material, this bag features a waterproof surface and zipper, ensuring your belongings stay safe and dry. The pressure-resistant protection material offers durability, while the heavy-duty metal zipper head and snap hook provide extra security. Despite weighing only 140 grams, the bag offers a large capacity to hold all your essentials. Its unique multicolor fashion design makes it stylish and practical for both travel and leisure activities. Perfect for those who need quality and convenience. Keeping your grill clean and safe is crucial for every BBQ enthusiast. The GRILLART grill brush offers a bristle-free and safe solution for cleaning your outdoor grill. Designed with a reinforced, non-metallic pad, it cleans using steam without leaving any wires or bristles behind, ensuring your food stays safe. The 5-sided locking system prevents the pad from accidentally falling off. Its wavy, heat-resistant foam pad reaches all grill types, including grates, flat tops, and smokers, offering a perfect fit for hard-to-reach areas. The brush features a durable, reinforced handle that won't break or slip, providing comfort and reliability. Dishwasher safe and heat-resistant, it's a must-have for any BBQ lover. Having the right tools on hand is essential for every ride. Introducing the JRI Fix Tool Bag, an all-in-one solution for carrying your essentials while protecting your bike frame. This 5-pocket bag includes padded internal pockets for tools, a pump, and a spare tube, as well as outer pockets for your phone, money, and keys. With a carabiner for secure key storage, it ensures everything stays in place. Made from waterproof, abrasion-resistant nylon, and high-quality leather, this bag is designed for durability. The isolone padding absorbs impact to prevent frame scratches. Its unique waterproof zipper and sleek design make it an essential accessory for any cyclist. Staying cool during hot weather is essential for comfort and productivity. The SWEETFULL portable neck fan offers 360 degrees of cooling with a bladeless design, providing instant relief without worrying about tangled hair. With adjustable 3-speed airflow, it delivers customized cooling comfort throughout the day. This lightweight fan is comfortable to wear, offering hands-free freedom as it hangs around your neck. Its USB rechargeable 4000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use, making it perfect for work, travel, or outdoor activities. Designed for both style and functionality, this fan offers continuous cooling without the mess of traditional fans, making it a convenient and practical solution for staying cool on the go. When grilling outdoors, having a sturdy and versatile workspace is essential for convenience and organization. Introducing the BBQMall portable grill table cart, the perfect solution. Designed to fit a variety of grills, including Blackstone and Weber Q portable grills. It features a strong, foldable outdoor grill stand with 4 wheels and wheel locks for easy mobility and stability. With double shelves, a paper towel holder, 4 hooks, and a magnetic toolbar, it offers ample storage space for all your grilling tools and accessories. The large grill caddy provides even more room for supplies, while its easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, making it ideal for all your outdoor cooking needs.